Why America should be afraid of Russia's swarm drones. Russia rolls out cutting-edge system to control swarm of drones from aircraft or warship. The latest drone swarm control system presented by the Russian tech firm Kronstadt at the Dubai Airshow 2021 can be mounted on an aircraft or a warship to create an integrated information space for Russia's combined armed forces, a Kronstadt representative told TASS on the airshow's sidelines on Tuesday. The new automated operator's workstation to control a swarm of drones presented at the Dubai Airshow 2021 can be mounted on an aircraft or a warship. Therefore, this makes it possible to outfit airborne and shipborne carriers with this equipment and exercise control of groups of drones in the interests of Russian combined arms forces, he said. The novel technology makes it possible to create network-centric systems for combat operations, he added. This will ensure integration into the single information space of combat data and control systems of aircraft and ships, the company's representative said. Kronstadt unveiled the automated operator workstation to control cluster operations of drone systems at the Dubai Airshow 2021. The system features state-of-the-art information technologies, including artificial intelligence elements and augmented reality with 3D terrain images. When using the new system, an operator will only set general goals instead of directly controlling drones. The basic operations related to controlling a drone flight, managing systems, coping with the target task, and ensuring interoperability inside drone swarms will be carried out by a computer based on artificial intelligence elements. This approach will allow Russian drones to switch to a new stage of development and turn into semi-automatic instead of automatically controlled aerial vehicles. The system's factory trials are due to begin in 2022. Russia to develop helicopter capable of controlling a swarm of drones. Russia's Radio Electronic Technologies Group, KRET, expects to complete work by 2025 to develop a helicopter capable of controlling a swarm of drones, KRET Deputy CEO for RAND on onboard equipment Givid Zanzgava said. Within a period of up to 2025, we should both test these technologies and make a breakthrough, he said, replying to a question about when a helicopter capable of controlling a swarm of drones would appear in Russia. KRET First Deputy CEO Vladimir Mikheyev earlier told TASS that the company was developing separate elements of artificial intelligence to create drones capable of making decisions on their own. The company presented software making it possible to study some specifics of artificial intelligence. According to Mikheyev, small-sized devices have been created already now. They weigh about 1 or 2 kilograms and fully perform the function of guiding weapons for small-sized drones. He later told TASS that a swarm of drones capable of making decisions both jointly and separately in accordance with the situation and acting in compliance with them would appear in Russia within 5 years. Russia may create drone swarms capable of making decisions in 5 years. A swarm of drones capable of operating individually or as a team and making decisions according to the situation at hand will be created in Russia within the next 5 years, Vladimir Mikheyev, an advisor to the first deputy CEO of the concern of Radio Electronic Technologies KRET, told TASS on Tuesday. We are gradually moving towards remote-controlled aviation. At some future date, a swarm of drones or individual drones will be capable of taking on various tasks. Within the coming 5 years, a swarm of intellectual drones will be created. They will be able to make decisions on their own, conduct combat operations and reconnaissance, and so on and so forth, Mikheyev explained. KRET is conducting research into individual components of artificial intelligence, capable of making independent decisions. Small-sized devices having a mass of about 1 or 2 kilograms have been created already to perform the function of targeting weapons carried by small drones. Sukhoi Su-57 fighter jet can carry 4 drones. Attack Okhotnik, 5 ASEAN countries interested, including Indonesia? Russia continues to develop the capabilities of their 5th-generation advanced fighter jet, the Sukhoi Su-57. Most recently, this fighter jet is capable of carrying 4 attack drones, a capability that has attracted 5 ASEAN countries to operationalize it. Not just any attack drone, but the latest heavy attack drone of the Okhotnik type. Later, Su-57 pilots could operate 4 drones at once, simultaneously, an industry source said. Currently, the option to control attack drones from the cockpit of the Su-57 is being worked out. A fighter jet is expected to carry 2 to 4 Okhotnik drones, the source said, as reported by TASS, although there is no official Russian government information on this. As Russia's United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, press office previously told TASS, the new Okhotnik drone will strike both air and ground targets in a network-centric interaction with the Su-57 fighter. In their joint work with 5th-generation fighter aircraft, the Okhotnik drones will handle a wide range of tasks, striking both air and ground targets under the command of Sukhoi Su-57 pilots. Coupled with its combat capabilities, the Su-57 will be increasingly feared by Western countries, but it is in demand by countries who want to find alternative advanced fighter aircraft, along with the ability to carry attack drones. Like the 5 Southeast Asian countries, ASEAN, which are said to have shown interest in the Su-57. The news that came not from random people, but the CEO of the Russian state armaments company, Rosoboronexport Alexander Mikheyev last June 1. We are in negotiations with several countries. We are seeing demand and interest. Southeast Asia, 4 or 5 countries, showing their interest, he explained. Deadly duet. The Sukhoi Su-57 is a Russian-made 5th-generation multi-role fighter designed to destroy all types of air, ground and sea targets. The Su-57 fighter jet features stealth technology with extensive use of composite materials, is capable of developing supersonic cruising speeds, and is equipped with the most advanced onboard radio-electronic equipment, including a powerful onboard computer, the so-called electronic second pilot, a radar system spread throughout its body, and several other innovations, in particular, the armaments housed in its fuselage. The Su-57 took to the air for the first time on January 29, 2010. Compared to its predecessor, the Su-57 combines the functions of an attack aircraft and a fighter jet. The use of composite materials and innovation technology and fighter aircraft. The aerodynamic configuration ensures a low level of radar and infrared signature. The aircraft's armament will include, in particular, hypersonic missiles. The 5th-generation fighter jet has been successfully tested in combat conditions in Syria. Meanwhile, the S-70 Okhotnik drone, developed by the Sukhoi Design Bureau, features stealth technology and a flying wing, no tail, design, which reduces its radar signature. According to open-source data, this drone has a takeoff weight of 20 tons and can develop a speed of around 1,000 km per hour. The Okhotnik heavy attack drone made its debut flight on August 3, 2019. The flight lasted more than 20 minutes under operator control. On September 27, 2019, Okhotnik made a joint flight with the Su-57 5th-generation fighter jet. The drone maneuvers through the air in automatic mode at an altitude of about 1,600 meters, and the flight lasts 30 minutes. With the capabilities possessed by both, the Su-57 and S-70 are able to present a deadly duet in the air that opponents fear. Unfortunately, Alexander Mikheyev did not elaborate further which ASEAN countries were interested in buying the Su-57, including whether Indonesia was included in it.